Hi everyone. In today's video, I'm going to discuss about two chat specialist jobs. These are remote job opportunities that you can work from home or anywhere, and these are global jobs so no matter what is your geographic location, you can apply for the job. And the company's name is Third Channel. You can earn a compensation range of uh, around $15 to $20 per hour. The company's name is Third Channel. Here's the company's website. So the company works for various retail brands, and here it is written that Third Channel is driven by passionate brand experts equipped with cloud-based technology, and the company empowers retailers and brands with actionable data, attributable trust in their workforce, and a genuine competitive advantage. And here are these brands. The company offers remote job opportunities for people around the world, and here you will have flexible schedules, so you can create your own schedule. And here are the two openings. If you're interested in remote job opportunities, you can check out here, and these are the two remote jobs that the company is offering. So here, first one is for IT chat specialist job for the brand CDW, and this is a remote job. This is a remote part-time job, and here you will be working as per your own schedule. Here are the skills and qualifications that the company has listed. So, you will be a preferred candidate if you have 5+ years of IT industry experience, and you have knowledge of large corporate or hospital IT systems. You will be a preferred candidate. You should be familiar with top OS and brand environments. You should have passion for helping others with large-scale electronic purchasing needs. You should be able to explain concepts at customers' knowledge level. You should be able to type at least 35 words per minute with a strong ability to communicate clearly in text form. As this is a chat specialist job, you will be required to type online. And here CDW's purpose is to help our customers achieve their goals by providing them with the technology advice and products they need when they need them. Here are the roles and responsibilities that you can expect while working as a chat specialist. So here it is mentioned that you must love the brand, be willing to share your passion, it is contagious. So you must love the brand, be willing to share your passion, and use the brand's products or services. You should be familiar with the brand site and media or searches related to it. You should be able to compare and analyze competitor products. You should be comfortable showing empathy to customers in stressful situations. Here you will be chatting online with customers to resolve their queries. Here are the compensation and perks that the company is offering for the role of chat specialist. Yeah, this is 1099 independent contractor opportunity. So here you will be working as like a freelancer kind of setting, and you can create your own schedule. You can work either like part-time. You can work part-time and choose your own hours, and you will be getting performance-based rewards redeemable for product and or gift cards. You will have insider information from your brand about new product launches and events. Chat interactions are paid, and the compensation for chat interaction is around $18 to $22 per hour based on your experience level and skill set, and you will be paid weekly. Then they want people to immediately start upon completion of onboarding, and this is a fully remote position, so you can work from anywhere. You can connect to the internet. And here are the technology details. So they have mentioned that you must have a desktop or laptop with Chrome browser, and like tablets or other mobile devices would not able to work. and you should have a stable internet connection at least with at least 10 Mbps speed, and you should have reliable sound output. This can either be through built-in computer speakers or third-party speakers or headsets, so it can be either. So this was it about the job role. So here, as a IT chat specialist, you will be chatting with, you will be dealing with the customers who purchase online, and you just need to resolve their queries online while they take their purchase decisions. And if they have any kind of queries, you will be resolving them related to products or the services. Now here's the second profile, which is chat brand rep tailor-made. TaylorMade is a sports equipment manufacturer, and this is mainly into golf related equipment manufacturing. And here in qualification, and so in skills and qualification that the company has asked for someone with 5+ years of golf experience and 2+ years of club fitting experience, in-depth knowledge of current and past TaylorMade products. You should be familiar with similar products from other brands, and ability to communicate and assist golfers on all tailor-made products, enthusiast to pro level. You should be able to type at least 35 words per minute with a strong ability to communicate clearly. So if you are already a golfer, or you have had an experience in golf, you have had some chance to play golf, you will be a preferred candidate. So here, TaylorMade Golf prides themselves on being willing to do anything and everything to make their golfers better. They have a group of people who live, breathe, and sleep golf, doing whatever it takes to make the best, most technologically advanced, and highest quality equipment for their golfers. Now here are the roles and responsibilities that you can expect as a chat specialist for TaylorMade. And here, be passionate about the brand, and you will be using primarily tailor-made golf equipment. You need to be familiar with the tailor-made golf site and any related media or searches. You should be able to compare and analyze any competitive products. You should be able to handle multiple charts at one time. Now here are the compensation. So this is also an independent contractor kind of role. So you can work in your own, you can choose your own hours to work, and you will be getting performance-based rewards redeemable for product or gift cards. And for chat interactions, you will be getting paid hourly at the rate of $15 per hour, and the payment will be weekly. And this is a fully remote position, and you can work from anywhere. You can connect to the internet, and here is the technology details. So here you will be required to have you should be required to have a desktop or a laptop with Chrome browser with a stable internet connection and reliable sound output. So yeah, that's it. And here, if you think that you could be a good fit, you can apply from here. You can either use your LinkedIn profile to apply, or Indeed resume, or you can apply directly from here. So yeah, go ahead and check out the details, and if you believe that you could be a good fit for any of these positions, you can apply for the job. Thank you for listening.